A very berry day. Miss Strawberry is feeling a little bit glum today. She feels a bit small and, well, unimportant. So Miss Strawberry's friends decide to take her for a walk into town to cheer her up.
All the other fruits are so popular,
she sighs. And then she sees something, a huge picture of a strawberry and a pretty cow.
Huh, will you look at that? They obviously like me,
Miss Strawberry says. She sees another poster with strawberries on it.
Wow, they sure like strawberries.
As they walk through the town, they see a poster of strawberry candies too.
Hey, I'm not just important, I'm famous. I'm a starberry.
Miss Strawberry hops all the way home, holding hands with her friends.
Are you feeling better now?
Mrs. Plum asks.
Yes, I'm a superstar and loved by everyone. Can this day get any better?
Why was Miss Strawberry feeling glum? She was happy. Uh-oh. She was small. Where did Miss Strawberry's friends take her for a walk? To the forest. Uh-oh. Into town. What did Miss Strawberry see on the posters in town? Strawberries. What did Miss Strawberry think of herself after seeing the posters? She felt unimportant. She felt big.